Hi, welcome to RD Classics, the garage, and we're back here with another sports car, another Triumph, another British sports car, and my personal opinion is probably one of the best and the last sports car Triumph ever made. It's the TR3, and this particular little car is in really good original condition. Bodywork, I always like to be honest when I describe these cars. I always like to tell you the truth, because a lot of people who buy stuff off us, they don't even come and look at the cars, so they go off the descriptions. So like I say, the bodywork, it's not perfect. You know, there's a slight dent there. There's a couple of chips that's been filled in there. Again, I don't want anybody to come out, because a lot of people, they come from, you know, 300 or 400 miles away, and they'll come out and if they think they're going to get a showroom perfect concourse car, they're not. If you want one, I've got an MG in the showroom that's as good underneath as it is on the top. Not a blemish on it anywhere. This one, like I say, it's wearing its working clothes. It's a British sports car, and in my opinion, that's how they should look. So we'll have a walk around the car and I'll show you the car. So there you go. That's the way it sits. It's sitting on nice steel wheels, and I like steel wheels better than these chrome things. The Bespoke chrome wheels, in my opinion, don't suit these cars. So we'll walk around. Like I say, there is one or two bits of blemishes on the paintwork. There's no rot or rust, because the whole car was restored in the early 1980s. So it had a body off restoration. It's a photographic body off restoration. So we've got the photos in the office. The body was took off, and this car's had extensive work. As you walk around the car, you'll see it's nice and straight. The chrome work's nice. Obviously the wheels and tyres are nice. Body sits nice. We'll have a look inside. It's got the full waterproof kit, the hood, tonneau cover. Inside the seats, again, they're worn. They're not ripped or torn, but they're not perfect. It's wearing its everyday clothes, and I think a British sports car like this should look like this. If you want to take it to the next level, if you want the shiniest TR3 in the world, that's not a problem. Just pay some more money, we'll put it in the workshop, we'll strip it down, and we'll get it painted and put it back together. But it's just a working TR3, a nice car. We'll move on to the engine. Now underneath the bonnet here, the engine's had extensive work. It's an high lift cam. It's been rebored to 2.2 cc. It's had an uprated aluminium radiator with new cooling fans. So it's had an uprated cooling system basically. High lift cam, twin H6 carburetors fitted at some time, which work really well. The new alternator conversion. Underneath, this car is reputedly got an aluminium diff off a TR4. So that again will help with the power and the cooling and driving of the car. Also fitted to it is a brand new stainless steel exhaust system. So basically under the car you've got nothing to worry about. It's all there. Right, let's have a look at the inside of the dash. Dash is all nice and square there. There's no rips or tears. It's nice. It's got the nice period steering wheel again. You usually see them with a horrible aftermarket steering wheel. It's wearing the right steering wheel. Showing 93,000 miles. I don't know whether it's right or wrong. Doesn't really matter on a car like this, to be fair. You could get a car with 33,000 or 133 or 233,000 if the engine's been rebuilt. You know it's going to be right. 4-speed gearbox, but it has got overdrive in second, third and fourth. So it drives really nice. I've had this car up the road, and like I say, I would highly recommend someone coming to drive it. It's a driver's car. It's not one to just look at, it's a driver's car this. Right, let's get in and fire it up. There you go, beats the key. If you need any more information on this car or any of the other cars that you see on our videos or in the garage or in our adverts, just give us a ring or send us a message, email or subscribe to our YouTube channel, and we can send you more detailed videos. These are just a quick walk round just to show you some of the stuff that we get in, that we buy and sell. Bye bye now.